Chickens at Beef O'Brady's. Yeah. That's what you call good advertising. Alright, let's go see the chicken. Ah! The chicken. Chicken at Beef O'Brady's. It's a real chicken, people. It's a real chicken. Is he gonna attack me? Is there another one? There's a chicken at Beef O'Brady's. This is the best advertising I've seen since Japanese commercials. He's just walking around in front of the store. There's the Beef O'Brady's, and then there's the chicken. This is the funniest thing ever. Chicken at Beef O'Brady's, people. Alright, guys. Comment down below what you think about the chicken at Beef's. Remember to like this video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. And there's my mom.